Hello. Today we're going to talk about automatic document separation. What is it? How can I use it? And what do I need in order to use it? We're going to have a brief PowerPoint here followed by a demonstration on how to use it. So what is automatic document separation? It's typically a feature within your capture software that you use to drive your scanner. And it utilizes techniques to automatically identify where documents start and end. How can you use it? You can use it to maximize your scanning productivity. In particular, this is helpful when using high volume production scanners with large document feeders where you can put in hundreds of pages and automatically scan those documents, creating files individually utilizing one of the techniques. So what do you need in order to utilize this? Well, first off, you need to have capture software that has this feature. While most have some form of automatic document separation, not all forms exist in every package, and some don't have any at all. You also need to have a document scanner with an automatic document feeder. If you just have a flatbed scanner, utilizing these techniques aren't going to help. You may also need some additional software to create barcodes or separator sheets depending upon the methodologies that you use. So what are the techniques that are available to you? Most of them have blank page separation, or you can utilize barcodes or separator sheets in order to do your separation. Some will give you zonal OCR so that you can focus on an area of a document and tell it every time I find a particular value in this area, create a new file. More advanced applications have classification engines where it automatically recognizes the document type and understands where the document starts and ends. This is usually at a premium cost to the user. There are also many other ways of doing automatic document separation depending upon the software that you utilize. So to show you a couple of samples, I'm going to show you PatchPage. Now this is one way to create a document separator. This particular document can be placed in between each point of the document where you want separation to occur. As you can see, I've got some barcodes going around the document, and I also have one in the middle, which identifies that it's a Patch 1 sheet. Each time the scanner software reads this, it'll create a new file. There are different types of patch codes. You've got Patch 2, Patch 3. You can use Patch 4, which typically is used to toggle or switch between color and black and white scanning. And you also have T patches so that you can do some separation as well. Another way is to utilize your standard barcodes. In this particular instance, I have a 2D barcode, a data matrix barcode. It could be 3 of 9 or any other type of barcode. But each time the scanning software sees this barcode, it's going to create a document separator. So as I page down through my document, you'll notice I have another barcode. At this point, when the software encounters this barcode, a new file will be created. So let's see a demo of how this works in action. Here I've got an application, and I'm going to utilize a separation method of a barcode, identifying a 2D barcode and each time separating. I'm going to simulate the scanning process by importing a document, creating a batch, and now my process begins to separate. As I see the new barcode, notice a new document was created. And ultimately, for each one that it sees, it creates a new file, as demonstrated here on the left-hand side. So at this point, I'm going to show you different ways within this particular application that you can utilize automatic document separation. When I go into my administrative settings, I can go in and specify what methods that I want to use for this type of document in order to separate. Now I can also separate and create folders so that within a set of documents, I want to group those together and use a folder separator. As I look here, this particular one was set up to key on that 2D barcode, but I could change that and say I want to separate based on a number of barcodes or a value within the barcode itself. I can utilize patch codes. I can do a specific patch code or blank pages. Now, I also have the opportunity, if I'm importing files, to do it in various different ways, such as every time I import a new file, create a new document, or when a folder is changed, create a new document. And as you'll also see, I can focus on zonal OCR or OCR values that are triggered when it finds those values, create a new document. In each instance, the application that you choose to drive your scanner will dictate how you prep the documents and how you do your separation methods. If you require more information, you can reach out to us on our website or give us a call at 877-475-2580. Thank you.